Hi friends, thanks for being here for guidance. I'm sorry that you weren't able to join us live during the virtual lesson, but I'm so glad that you're here to see what we talked about. So the story today is called We're Different, We're the Same, and We're Wonderful. So we're going to learn today that we have differences from everybody, but we also have a lot of things in common with people, and this is an amazing, wonderful thing. Sorry about that, friends. We're different. Our noses are different. Yeah, look at all those different noses. Some people have kind of pointy noses. Some people might have freckles on their nose. Some people might have a bigger nose. Some people have a small nose. So our noses are all different. We're the same. Our noses are the same. They breathe and sniff and sneeze and whiff, right? So even though they might look different, our noses all serve the same purpose: to breathe in the air, right? To smell yummy flowers, delicious flowers like she's doing right here. To sniff, and then he's sneezing, he's getting rid of some of those germs, right? So our noses are pretty cool. Our hair is different. This guy doesn't have any hair on top of his head, but he has a lot of hair on the side. He even has some hair on his face, right? This guy's got lots of hair on his face. Look how long her hair is. It's black in color, and then this person's hair is really short, and it's like a white or gray color. This person has really cool designs shaved into his hair. And then this person's hair is like all kinds of different colors and spiked up. Our hair is the same. It grows on us in several places. It warms our heads and it frames our faces. So we have hair on our legs and on our arms and on our head. And some people have hair on their face. So even though our hair might look different or be styled differently, or we could know somebody that doesn't have any hair at all on their head. Somebody who's bald. That's what we call that when people don't have hair on their head. They still might have hair on their arms and their legs though. Our mouths are different. I'm looking at these different mouths. So his teeth are kind of sharp and pointy. Her teeth are nice and straight. This person's missing a tooth. You might be missing a tooth. That happens sometimes in kindergarten. We start to lose our teeth. This person has like bigger lips. This person has smaller lips. Oh, this person over here is wearing braces on their teeth. Oftentimes when you're like in middle school, like around 11 years old, you start to get braces to straighten out your smile. Our mouths are the same. Their lips form the words that we say and smile when it's a happy day. Our mouths help us drink things like Ernie right here is drinking. Our mouths help us blow bubbles like this woman is doing. Looks like he's yawning. He might feel a little tired. Our mouth helps us to yawn. Ooh, this character's having some ice cream. This person is using their mouth to play a musical instrument. This is called clarinet. So even though our mouths might look different, they do a lot of the same things for us. Our skin is different. So our skin comes in so many different colors and shades. Some people have more pale colored skin, like this person. Her skin is a little bit more tan. His skin is tanner. This person's skin is pretty dark. This person is more fair-skinned. So our skin comes in different shades. And some people's skin gets dry and they need to put lotion on so their skin doesn't hurt. Sometimes people have allergies that affect their skin and make their skin itchy. So our skin can be different from other people. Our skin is the same. It tells us something's cold or hot. muscles and bones are wrapped inside it. We all have blood and skin to hide it. It keeps in warmth. It keeps out dirt. It warns us so we don't get hurt. Our skin's pretty amazing. It's the largest organ that your body has. And I am hoping that all of these people out in the sun have their sunscreen on to protect their skin. Our eyes are different. Our eyes come in different shapes. Some people's eyes are bigger, some are smaller. Our eyes are different colors too. I have brown eyes. My daughter has brown eyes. My son has green eyes or hazel, and my husband has blue eyes. So all different eye colors just in my little family. And some people need glasses to help them see. This person's wearing glasses, and so is this person. I wear contacts in my eyes to help me see, but when I don't have my contacts in, then I wear my glasses. Our eyes are the same. They see, they blink, they weep, they wink. Weep means cry, right? Sometimes we have moments where we're crying either tears of joy or tears of sadness. Our bodies are different. Oh my gosh, our bodies are very different. Some people are tall. Big Bird's really tall. Some people are short. This character looks short. Some people are kind of bigger. Some people are smaller. Some people have lots of muscles. This Snuffleupagus, he's really big, right? So our bodies come in very different shapes and sizes. Our bodies are the same. They stretch and bend and work and play. They all need food and rest each day. They dance and wriggle and ride a bike. They might look different, but they're alike. Yeah, our bodies help us do lots of things. Swinging, juggling, painting, throwing and catching, playing basketball, going for walks and jogging, riding a bicycle. This Grover's wearing rollerblades. Looks like Ernie and Bert are going to be swimming. This person's body is helping them play a guitar. Lots of really cool things our bodies can do. Our feelings are different. We've talked about this many times. We all have different feelings. I see sad. This person's feeling sad. Remember that's blue zone, sadness. Over here, Bert looks happy. He's green zone. I would say this character kind of looks maybe scared or worried, yellow zone. So our feelings are different from one another. Our feelings are the same. Lonely, worried, scared, excited, happy, loving, glad, delighted. So we all have different feelings, but all people sometimes feel happy, sometimes people feel sad. People sometimes feel angry, frustrated, proud, brave, lonely, scared, excited, silly. So we have different feelings, but our feelings are also the same. We're the same, we're different. That's what makes the world such fun. Many kinds of people, not just one. A rainbow would be boring if it were only green or blue. What makes a rainbow beautiful is that it has every hue. So aren't you glad you look like you? We're different, we're the same. We're wonderful. And we are, friends. Every single one of us is an amazing human being. That we have differences from everyone, but we also have lots of things that are the same. And that's pretty cool. Thank you for being here for guidance, friends. You don't have to do anything in your Seesaw account. Just click that green check mark so I know you watched this video. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you next week.